Are you thinking about security, surveillance, monitoring system at home? There is one cost-effective and effortless solution with TOVNET Wi-Fi CCTV. No hassle and no wire is required. Anyone can install without paying extra on expert technician. Experience the crisp and clear quality with full HD color image. Just plug in and power on with a tip of finger, and all setup is preloaded and ready. There is no extra setup or configuration is needed. It has a wide coverage area up to 200 meters, which equals to about 650 feet wireless, with Wi-Fi connection. It also supports on various remote devices, such as smartphone and computer, from another places when it is connected to internet. With the TOVNET Wi-Fi CCTV, all family and loved ones are connected, not only for security, but also monitoring your parents and ages or pets left alone is possible at your hand anytime and any place. It has zooming function and works well under where there is no light.